Bounty Killer, even Bounty Hunter. When was the first time you heard of him as an artist, where he came up on your radar?
Bounty Killer, I never knew him. Seriously, I know Bounty Killer in 1992 when the first song came out, Kappa Shot. Mm-hmm. First time I hear Bounty. Like, I never knew him, no. God, me hear Kappa Shot. Remember me, I never knew him. Mm-hmm. Just, I know Nitty Kochi long time. I know Nitty Kochi from Nitty Gritty them time. And I know White Star Sound, I know Wayne Smith, I know all the artists from down at CD. I never know Element fan. I never know Bounty Killer. Yeah. So I never know them. Me used to see Boom Dynamite, but I never knew him as per se, you know. Yeah, but yeah, I never know Bounty. I see if you may go meet Bounty. Yeah, I have to go down there go check him, you know, to find out what I go on. Because him say one kill me, I don't know him. What? Mm-hmm. I don't like with boxing, you know. The enemy, they're right in front of you, so you know you have to kill that guy before him kill you. So, go check him. Yeah.
And at this time, you were very seasoned as an artist at this time here, because if you're saying 92 and you've been in the business.
Let me have the child. Stop it. Let me have bust back. Remember, I said it's a child star. Yeah. So, let me have bust back. So, when the bust back now, obstacle come, you have to find out where the obstacle come from. So, at the time, I have Bounty Killer as an obstacle, like, seriously, because I have it say him come to block my path. But when him do now, him give me a different path to go on. Because if me there on the same path I'm there on, probably only there still today. You see it? So him introduced me to a different format of the music. Because I never used to see the bad man lyrics, you know. Me growing up too much badness. So everything that I try to say is try to do good or stay away from that. Because when I go, mate, you're no good sitting. A girl song me start with, hey, them I watch you. Hey, them a chat. So me start. Spread out, Miss Angela. Miss Lover man, they are with the rough rider. You remember them song there? So them song them start with. I wouldn't be the bad man, wicked man now, because here's the problem, you know. The bad man thing start back again. Because Ninja Man look like him now where I go. See? And then Mad Cabra and him start war now, and them time that the badness thing start. You see? So when me a Bounty Killer come in Kappa Shot now, me hear the style when DJ can DJ in a Buju Banton style, big it up. Y'all see what we heard that murder. So me I say, why you can't do that? So me do it. So, yeah, because I don't know a bad man thing go. So me flip up, me flip two songs. Me flip Terror Fabulous song, Glamorous, Glitterous, so man you look fine. Have me under pressure. Bad man, wicked man, attack man, Twitter, lacking on me and more. Yes, I'm flipping. So when Killer call me pirate, I just me trying. Because I told me pirate, the same melody, and then you call me pirate. Two of we are pirates. Yeah. I think him that said, me I use the same words where I use, and the same style where I use, but that was the style of DJing at the time. So who originated it? I don't know. It can be Mad Cabra, it can be Ninja Man, it can be Shabba Ranking. It's not Bounty Killer alone DJ, sir. So I never know why him did I call me pirate. But when I get to figure it out, say, the man a boss, and then them talk about me, side of him, and him knowing that. But two bull can't run a one pen, but it look like me just buy a different pen and give him the next one here, sir. Run over this and run over this. Even the gangster, the man for the street, he was that guy who come to the poor people government and all of them things there. So we get to realize that, all right, music is nice, we're going to sing. Yeah, now I go up on stage first because we realize I be a bad man thing and and management after my artists have to go last and rare. Me no business who want forward last, and last man standing. That is the manner people talk about. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So me there. Yes, sure as liquor, tens and thing. Yeah, till me start to enjoy myself. And then I'll tenseness turn to the tension, which part of the tension I come from. Because Killer was the aggressor. I was the man that smiled. Yeah. So then you get a different limelight in the morning now. I see what go on with it. Because it starts from Stone Love anniversary, then it move on to Sting. Then the year after that, I'm near the artist of the year. The year after that, the year after that, the year after that, and the year after that, and the year after that. So that teach me, you know, the only competition is you. So all you can do is compete with yourself. So we start make some different songs. So Dave Kelly start give me some Murderation, give me the girl, let me the wickedest slam, start giving some different songs. So we start get a different idea of how to forward in the music. So I drop World Dance now after Buju Banton come with the Borga song and we drop the World Dance and thing. We go Billboard. Then we go Romy, then we go Billboard. And after that, rest is history. Yeah.
When it came to the Bounty Killer, before we get out of the Bounty Killer moment, what was the most intense time between the two of you guys?
Sting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. Sting was the most intense time because the anniversary, Soul Love anniversary, was the first time we really about on any platform, any musical platform. It was the first time we ever meet each other, you know? So the first time we ever confront. So the confrontation was, it was on enough because Killer run off and I might leave the stage of a minute because it's not because he was afraid, it's because him underestimate. Because he must say, what me I do on stage with a fool here. But by the time he walk off left the forward of the fool get bigger than the one where he just left. So he must run and back. Yeah, so I think I gained my respect from him that night. Yeah, and I think him gained mines that night. Yeah. So that competition was gaining each other respect. You know, say, none of we no fool. You see it? Yeah, man.
Justin Stevens.
Yeah, Eve Stevens.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.